In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify link name. If you're looking to update your Shopify store's web address to better reflect your brand, or perhaps to make it more memorable for your customers, you're in the right place. This process is fairly straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring it's easy for you to follow along. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is your main dashboard where you manage everything related to your store. Once you're there, take a look towards the bottom left of the screen. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can adjust a wide range of settings for your store, from general preferences to more specific ones like payment and checkout options. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of different categories. Find and click on Domains. This section is dedicated to everything related to your store's web address. It's an important part of your online identity, so managing it correctly is key to maintaining a professional and cohesive brand presence. In the Domains section, you'll see an option that says ChangeMyShopify.com domain. Click on this link. This option allows you to modify the default Shopify domain name that was initially set up when you created your store. Changing this can help align your store's web address with your brand name or make it simpler for customers to remember. Once you click on ChangeMyShopify.com domain, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your desired new domain. Keep in mind that your new domain should ideally be short, relevant, and easy to spell. This will make it easier for customers to find your store online. After entering your new domain, confirm the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify link name. Remember that any changes you make to your domain can take some time to propagate across the internet. So if you don't see the change immediately, don't worry, just give it a little time. Before you finalize your new domain, it's a good practice to double check that the name you want isn't already in use and that it accurately represents your brand. Consistency and clarity in your branding can significantly impact your store's success. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide was helpful in updating your Shopify link name. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!